Just briefly on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to kind of fund user account on the system. So probably once you're on your admin end, you just have to click on this tab. I'm using a mobile device just for the benefit of people that are using. Just click on this section that you're seeing here on top. So once you click on that, you will see the other section, which is customers. Did you see customers? Just click on these customers on your own end. So once you click on the customer tab, it will present you with all the customers that is registered on your website. But right now there is no customer on this end, so that's why you see everything is empty. But then once you see the customer, you can also add customer. Let me just show you how to do that briefly, just for us to use it and test what we are saying. So here I'm just going to put in put my name, put phone number, then the password I'm gonna use just let me use something generic, or even though it may not accept it, but then choose something very good. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I just want to use that to test run what I want to show you. So you can see it. Once you add a customer on your end, it may ask you that this particular customer has existed. You can see it, but that does not mean that you should panic. So you can see here, if you come down, you can see the customer we just added right now. Okay, so as we have added, remember the essence of this video is how to load users customer fund. So let me just take you back to the dashboard just to show you something. Remember, most of what that are making having a virtual system has a mobile device to operate the business. So that's why we're using this to do some training. So you can see we have one subscriber here. So let's go back to the customer list. So once you click on this customer, then you scroll down, scroll like this. Just scroll to the last section. You will see the actions. You will see view users. The view user has to do with, like, you to show you the statistics of the user, right? So whatever you want to do, you want to delete the user account, you can delete. You want to do anything with the user, you can do it on this section. But that's not what I want to do. What I want to do is to fund accounts. So just click on this credit or debit. So just click on this. Then from this place, it will tell you the actions. You are going to see something which is probably is going to show you actions, amount, and funding. But then before I do that, I'm also going to show you something. If you click on API, I'm trying to cover a lot of things so that you should know that everything you are doing is going to be is going to be reflecting automatically. So if you look here, you see that in your user section there is no money, right? So but when we finish this operation, which is what we are just doing right now, you're going to be seeing that there's going to be balance. So here, let me briefly go back to where we are. Sorry that I'm making so many videos as like so many training at a time. So I'm going to just click on credit, then put the amount, so maybe 1,000 naira. Then the reason for funding should be funding, as in the reason why you are putting this money to this user is funding. So once you are done with that, you click on this update wallet. So you can see it now. Just click on this update wallet. So the system will automatically credit this account. So you can see the operation is successful. So you can see the message that the system gives that this guy has been credited with 1,000 naira. See that it has a zero wallet balance, but right now it has a 1,000 naira balance. So, and if you also go to the API wallet, you will see that the system will actually going to read that there is the total user balance is 1,000, because before now it is 0. Okay, if you also have to the user, you will see it right away. And if you go back to the user again, just to confirm what we have just done, you see that this place now, this guy have a wallet balance of a 1,000 naira on the wallet, and this guy can use this money to buy product in real time now. But then this is just like a manual funding operation that you can do on your VTU website. But then what if you want to automate the business whereby people can be paying with their auto funding? Okay, so make sure you check out the video that is going to be displayed on their screen, or also check out the recent videos where we talk about the auto funding in details that will enable you to actually automate your funding process, so that you don't necessarily need to go to the admin to fund your your user's account. Remember, they must pay money to you before you come to credit their account, and you can actually fund any amount for the user. Okay, it doesn't have restrictions, but then remember, the money that the system operates with is the money that you have with your API provider. Okay, so make sure you have understand these variables. Like for instance, as you can see here, that the customer has a balance of 1,000 naira, but then in the API there is no balance. So it means that even if the customer want to buy product, it will not deliver right now because there is no available balance on the API terminal. So make sure you understand this philosophy. There's a lot of videos on the YouTube channel which of course we explain so many things, technical know-how on the V2 technology. So make sure you subscribe, check out some of the playlists to understand everything. Also DM us on WhatsApp if you want to get started having your own V2 website. But as you have a V2 website already with us and you intend to understand how the functionality of how to credit users, this video does that for you. I remain Hussein Shirag. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Thanks and God bless.